Well, I think I'm going to call that a day at the moment. I'll do a little more touching up before I present it to you, but I think the thing is now, if I'm not careful, I'll spoil it, and it does look really good. So a little more work, but not much, and I can present it to you as a finished picture, and I've got to sign it too, and I'll be signing it here. I think that's the obvious place. I don't want to spoil that, so it'll be over here. Well, there we are. I'm going to call that finished. All that remains is my signature now. I think this is the ideal place to put it. So let's start here. There you go. Lose the tail off there. There we are. That's finished. Now, this has been a really enjoyable project. I've loved every minute of it. Now, as you can see, it's come up very well. I make slight differences between the two. I combed her hair a bit more than in the picture, but that's permissible. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed it, and more to the point, you've learned something from this. It's certainly been a bit of a challenge, but well worth the effort. So I look forward to seeing you again on another one very, very soon.